YouTube, I got a good one for y'all today. I got the Glock 45, Gen 5, 9mm against the Glock 23, Gen 5, 40 cal. Which one of y'all think is, the best? Everybody say the 9mm is better than 40 cal. If you ask me, I really don't care. Just as long as you know how to shoot them. It don't matter. Don't matter the bullet. Don't matter, the grain. It don't matter none of that. People say the 40 cal, got more knockdown power than the 9mm. I believe you put them in the right spot, they're all knocking down whoever it is that's coming at you and your family. So I don't get into all that, but I'm gonna give y'all a verse. As y'all can see in the title, it says Glock 23 against the Glock, 45. 9 versus 40 cal, but it is what it is. So I got 50 rounds of 40 cal, and I got 50 rounds of 9mm. We're gonna go with the 9mm first. And just tell me, got 15 rounds in here, in the Glock 45, Gen 5. I'm gonna do a little, slow fire. Y'all let me know. Recoil, whatever the case may be. Whatever y'all like to see. Just let me know. But Glock 45 is first. Glock 45. 15 rounds of 40 cal out of the Glock 23. I love that 40 cal too. Let's go. Cal just got a little more snap, but you can tame it. Just a little bit more snap, but you can tame them. We're going right back. The 9mm Glock. Glock 23. I can say last one. Now I'm gonna show y'all the target. Still gotta learn how to control my double taps and everything else, but I'll show y'all the target. That's the target. I hit little Tim Tim and the cat and the dog like 7 times, but everything else is still in the target. Everything is about controlling, having the right grip, you know, fundamentals. But I just wanted to let y'all see the Glock 23 and Glock 45. Go at it. I know certain people could do it better than me. I understand that, but it is what it is. Love is love. Stay focused. But before I leave, I just want y'all to be safe. Go to the range, train, have fun, but good fun. Work on your trigger finger and your support hand. Everything else will come to you. But, it's your boy New York Tactical.